morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Before begin the analysis, happy Holi to all of you, and I wish you all had a great time with your family today. So let's begin the analysis, and also we'll discuss what happened on Monday. Okay. So if you remember, in the video that I posted during the weekend, I had mentioned that 41,677. So this is a strong resistance because this is that red candle on the weekly chart and the monthly chart. I said we are below a red candle. So till the time we do not cross above this, uh, we will still see some fall. So what happened on Monday? Bank Nifty opened gap up, exactly took support at PDH, and it went directly to the resistance, and it consolidated there, and then it gave a fall. Okay, and this is where we expected the fall, and it almost filled the gap. There was a slight margin left. It should have actually come around 41,277 or 41,250, but it made a low somewhere close to 300, and it reversed. But anyways, it was a great day as per the analysis. And what next is something which we are going to discuss today in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So before we start our discussion, let's quickly look at the participant data. So FIs on Monday created 619 longs, and they closed another 15,800 future shorts. Okay, so a good number of exit in the future shorts. However, not a very good number of future long here. The only reason being, if there is no future long being added at this point, they are still confused if the market will go up or not. Okay, so if they close 15,800 future shorts and they would have added another 5,000 or 8,000 future longs, I would have been more happy to be on the bullish side. But for now, like I said, as per the price action, we are still in the pullback mode. Okay, so that is still confirmed. Once we see good numbers coming up in the future longs, we will also be confirmed that, okay, from pullback we can change the trend. Now let's quickly look at the options. So Monday, I think it was when Nifty's expiry due to a holiday today. So that's the reason we could see close long and close short. But the net number seems to be with a call short and some put long for both FIs and pros. Okay. So overall, the data of participant data is kind of sideways to bearish. Okay, so this is the data now, and now we'll quickly go and check the charts. So before we look at the chart, let me also show you how the shorts have been covered. So on the 2nd of March, we were standing at 1,31,240 future shorts being naked, and right now it has come to around 72,462. So nearly we are at half now, and this isn't that bearish now, but it is still bearish because the net number is still beyond 1 lakh. Once it falls below 95,000, the market will get stabilized and it will try to move up. But what happened is the naked shorts is now not the way it was before. Okay? So this is what I wanted to explain from the participant data. And now let's come back to the price action. So see, we have kept the same lines for Bank Nifty. The only that I added is a zone here. Again, if you see, Bank Nifty consolidated in this zone for a lot of time and eventually has given closing also somewhere close to that. Okay, so this zone happens to be around 41,350 to 400 range. Okay, so there is a doji candle here. So I've marked that doji's high and low. I hope you all know that a doji candle is also called as a support or a resistance candle. So I've used this candle to mark a level here. That's what is being respected at the moment. So if you understand, I told you all that these are Dow theory levels. Okay. So like I said, if you have the last level here, so the level prior to that, below that, uh, it is known as bearish or trend reversal. Okay. So what does that mean? Below 41,164, the trend can reverse. Okay. So what do we do is, even at this level, we will only try to buy call. Once this level breaks, we will wait and see what happens. So so let's discuss with where the market opens and then we'll discuss it accordingly. So currently we are standing here and SGX Nifty is indicating flat right now. So in case if we open flat, and we will buy call only once we take out this level, which is 41,500. Okay, above 41,500 we'll go for call, first target being 41,670, okay, to 41,700, and then we'll have to see if bank nifty sustains above this level. So that could be a good indication. Or either we touch 41,677 and we consolidate here for at least half an hour to 1 hour, and then we break out, then we can immediately reach 42,000 also on the same day. Okay, so flat opening, and if it moves up and breaks 41,500 is when we'll go long. And secondly, if it comes back down, we will wait for it and we'll see if at all bank nifty recovers from this point. Okay, so let it touch 41,164 and then let it come and close above 41,277. Okay, then we could again try a call here. Our first target can be around 41,400 and then 41,500, and then there's a possibility it may consolidate again here and then give a breakout of 41,500. If that happens, we can again try to buy call. And if we come down and break this level, okay, in any case, and if we see, or else what you can do is, see, we already have a lower high formation, lower high, lower low formation here. If we continue to break this low, 41,164, then we can try a put. Our immediate target would be around 41,000, and then if it continues, it can come to 40,860 also. Okay, this is for the downside. And in case of a gap up opening, if we open above 41,500 and we just give a dip here and we break 41,500 again, we'll go for a call. The target would be 41,700. In case if we directly open say around 41,677, then I think we would probably try to break out this level also. So we'll have to be a little careful. Okay, so it can give a dip until 41,500 and then it should stay within this range at least for that particular day. Okay, so without breaking this low, if we stay here or if we stay until here, so basically from 41,677 to 41,400, if we stay here on Wednesday, then probably on a Thursday we could see a breakout of one of the sides. Okay, this is one of the trade plan. And the other one is if we open gap down, and like I said, if we break 41,164, we'll go for a put because it will be then a continuation of lower high and lower low. Okay, so this is my view on bank nifty. Let's quickly discuss nifty. Sorry. Okay, so nifty also on that day it took resistance at 17,785, or rather I would say 17,800, then formed a lower high pattern and then it's coming down. Okay, so tomorrow if we open below 17,750, okay, and if we do not go up and you see a retracement here, or a reversal here, we could still go for a put. And once it gives a breakdown of 17,700, we could eventually see it coming to fill the gap at 17,600. Okay, this is one of the trade plans. So almost 150 points fall is what we can expect in Nifty if it doesn't cross 17,750. Above 17,750, we will not take any trade till the time it crosses 17,800. Once 17,800 is taken out, then we could see some short covering until 18,000 once again. Okay, but for that, it has to open gap up and sustain about 17,750. Okay. And in case if we open gap down, same thing, we'll wait for a retracement and then we'll take a put here. The target remains the same. So I hope the view is clear in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So yes, we are still in the pullback phase. Once we change to bullish stance, I'll definitely come up with a video on that. So right now we are in the pullback phase and we would trade, keeping that in mind. Thank you for watching my video. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.